Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.